Hello, my name's Claire Woodbine. I garden at Pinsla Garden in Cornwall. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about paths. We have lots of paths because it's so much easier to garden all year round if you've got good hard standing and good enough space to bring a big barrow to, for compost and weeds. So we made this path, I suppose about 30 years ago, when we were really much younger and stronger and had a very good functioning cement mixer. So it's sort of coming out of the woodland at Pinsla, which has got rhodies, acers, azaleas, and we have a bank this side. But anyway, this is more about the paths, really, than the garden. I'll have to do another one on the garden, won't I? So we wanted a mixture. We had lots of bits of old slate from our rag roof. It was the days when you could collect pebbles from the beach, which obviously I wouldn't do now. Anyway, we inset them all. And then where we hadn't got anything to inset, we scratched patterns. Just can't resist showing you a bit of this border. Look. Oh gosh, isn't June such a perfect time in the garden? Anyway, so bit of wet cement, just get a bamboo stick and start scratching. And with your stones, it's making patterns. I like using things as a frame. This is just scratched through an old foot scraper, metal foot scraper taken away. And I must say drain covers are most useful for making decorations. So down here, I've got a whole nice set of scratch drain covers. Oh look, just stop and look at the bee on the thalictrum. Oh, gosh, Pinsla is looking so lovely at the moment, but isn't every garden in June nice having that mix of wild and cultivated that we do here? Letting the foxgloves just seed occasionally. So back to the path. So you can have great fun walking down this anytime, night or day. By moonlight, actually, it's rather splendid. Look, and this is the end. And a very nice regersia too.